guys, John with Exway USA, doing a little unboxing video on the Exway X1. Opening the box, there's the deck, beautiful looking deck. Bottom has a scratch resistant coating, seismic trucks, 80mm wheels. The stickers have been removed on the ESC and on the hub motors. So also in the box we have the charger, the remote charger, an accessory cable for charging your cell phone, skate key, manual, extra wheel set. This is the remote. It's got an OLED display, vibrating feedback, and a thumb wheel for forward and reverse. So we're going to be putting more videos up. Click subscribe to follow us. We're going to do videos on firmware updates and setting up the board, going through the app, that kind of thing. To buy your board, go to exwayusa.com or click the dealer page and see your local retailer. Thanks.